Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter sector of Indian economic, that is Manrega and organized sector and unorganized sector. First, Manrega. Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act 2005. It was will provide 100 assured employment to all the needy unemployed workers. If they are unable to provide employment, then they would provide unemployment allowances. In other words, we can say that Manrega is also called Right to Work. It has been implemented in 200 poorest of the poor district of India. Manrega guarantee 100 days of assured work to the people who are able to in need to of work. And if the government is failed to provide, it will provide unemployment allowances to the people. And one third job of the Manrega is reserved for the women, and the objective of the implementing Manrega is that to give the employment opportunity to the people who live in rural areas, to raise the standard living of the people, to implement the right to work. And these are the some important points that government can see to remove the poverty and to raise the standard of living of the poor people. Next, another important topic, that is division of sector as organized and unorganized sector. First, organized sector. In organized sector, workers enjoy security of employment. Worker gets several benefit from the employer like paid leave, provident fund, gratuity. Worker work for the fixed number of hours. If they work more than hour, they have to paid overtime by the employer. In the organized sector, employment is subjected to high degree of insecurity. There is no provision for paid leave and holiday. Worker get less wages and there is no provision for overtime payment. So by the story of Kanta and Kamal, you can understand the differentiate organized and organized sector. In the Kanta case, the Kanta work in a office. She attend her office from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. She get her salary regularly at the end of every month. In addition to the salary, she also get provident fund as per the rule led by the government. She also get the medical and the allowances. Kanta does not go office on Sunday, and this is a paid holiday. When she joined the work, she have given appointment letter setting all the terms and condition of work. Whereas in Kamal case, Kamal, he is a daily wages labor in nearby Godse's shop. He goes shop at the 7:30 a.m. to work till 8 p.m. in the evening. He get no other allowances apart from his wages. He not paid for the days of he does not work, as he therefore no leave, no or paid holiday, or nor he given any formal letter saying that he was being employed in the shop. He can ask to leave anytime in the employer. So you can see that differentiate between the organized and organized sector in the society.